In the previous video, we gave you essential tips on crafting a successful awards program marketing strategy. And one of the key points was utilizing the right marketing channels, which we will explore in more detail in this video. Let's start nice and easy with something that everyone's familiar with, social media. Here are our tips on how to utilize it to raise awareness for your awards. Number 1, find the proper social media channels where your audience is. Number 2, join conversations instead of just liking other people's posts and comments. Number 3, share useful information with your target audience, like industry-related articles, blog posts, tips and tricks, or entertaining content. Number 4, start meaningful and engaging discussions. Tip number 5, never use social media solely as a platform for promotional content, but rather make sure that your audience is getting value as well. Tip number 6, allocate some budget for advertising on social media. It's almost impossible to reach your target audience relying only on organic reach. Tip number 7, when posting, tag your sponsors, partners, and applicants to increase engagement. Number 8, depending on the social media platform you use, create a hashtag for your awards program and use it. Tip number 9, work with influencers in your industry and create some fun and engaging content with them, like games or challenges. And tip number 10, remember that trends, rules, and algorithms change. So always stay up to date with the latest social media developments and use them to your advantage. While we're on the topic of social media, let's talk about influencers. Love them or hate them, they're the catalysts that run the social media marketing powerhouse. So take advantage of that and collaborate with them for the promotion of your awards. Here are our tips. Number 1, choose people who align with your program's goals and whose audience are your ideal target applicants. Using free online tools like Keyhole, Heapsy, and even LinkedIn can help you find individuals and organizations that specialize in your target sector. And number 2, ask your judges to help spread the word about your contest. Your jury members are probably among the influencers in your industry, and they are already an important part of your contest, which makes them the perfect ambassadors for your awards. Next up, let's look at email marketing, which is another great way to generate more buzz around your competition and to increase the number of submissions. Here are our tips on that. Number 1, don't send spam or promotional content only. Add useful information like your top blog posts, useful resources, and some interesting industry-related articles. 2, make your email subscribers feel special by sending them special offers and promo codes. Number 3, use a smart email marketing solution to optimize your work. With Evalato, for example, you can add and update contacts in your email marketing or CRM software like HubSpot, Intercom, or Salesforce and set up automatic emails. Number 4, always add a call to action and keep your messages brief. Tip number 5, use the right language for your target audience. And number 6, check if everything is working before you click that send button. Check for grammatical errors, check if your links are working well, and how your message appears on different devices. Next up, let's talk about finding media partners, which is another great way to spread the word about your awards. Our first tip is to create a list with industry-specific and general media outlets that cover your industry. Number 2, make sure to give them something that your non-partner media will not receive, and this way you can ask for something extra in return as well. For example, presence in their publications and placing your logo as a partner on their website and in their newsletters. And last but not least, let's check out some PR tactics you can use to generate even more buzz around your awards. Number 1, get your name included in lists of awards or articles, like for example the Boost Award, which is the largest free list of business awards, generating exposure for everyone that is honored. The second tactic you can try is newsjacking on breaking news stories related to your industry, which is a great way to attract attention to your brand and build credibility. Tip number 3, conduct guest blogging and interviews in relevant popular blogs or online media. And number 4, consider adding a public voting round as part of your evaluation process or choose specific categories to be judged exclusively by the public. This great tactic alone can skyrocket your visibility and engagement. I don't know if you were counting, but we gave you 25 amazing tips on how to optimize different marketing channels to promote your program. Utilize the ones that are most appropriate based on the nature of your program, and if you want to learn even more marketing strategies, follow the link in the description. It will take you to our super useful blog post featuring 101 awards program marketing tips.